Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error when you run a media creation tool on Windows 7 when you want to upgrade to Windows 10. So this is the error that you get because it's not compatible with Windows 7. So today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error and upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 7. So let's get started. The first thing that we have to do is to go to open your browser and go to this link. This will be linked in description below this video. So we need to enable the TLS 1.1 and TLS 1.2 in order to work on 7. So we scroll down until we see on this one, on Microsoft Update Catalog. We click on this Microsoft Update Catalog, and now you get to this site. And now it depends whichever Windows 7 edition you have. I have Windows 7 64-bit. Now if you don't know which bit version you have, you go to Start and then go here to Computer and then right click here and Properties, and here, as you can see, I have system type 64-bit operating system. So now that we know which system we have, we can close this. And now we need to download the 64-bit. For me 64, you maybe have 32-bit, so download this one. This is the 32-bit and this is the 64-bit. This X64 is for 64-bit and this one without 64, X64, is for 32-bit. So I'm gonna download this one. If you have 32, you download the last one, and we right click this one, this link, and go save link as, and we're gonna place it on desktop and click on save. And after that we close this, and now we go again back to this and we close this tab because we don't need it anymore. And then here we need to download one more thing, which is this one, Easy Fix. So just click on this on the system, on register information, just click on Easy Fix, this one, and then after that you click on here Easy Fix, click here. So it downloads the Microsoft Easy Fix. So after we downloaded the two files needed, then we go to this folder and we go to downloads, and then we drag this on the desktop so it can be easier to follow the tutorial. So now we have these two files, this one and this one. So the first thing that we need to install is this one, Microsoft Easy Fix. So double click on it and click on Run. And then here we click on I agree and click on Next, and we install the Easy Fix. And here we click on Yes, and the process should begin installing the Easy Fix program. After it says all done, just click on Close, and now we run this update. And then we click on this, we want to install the following software update, click on Yes. And we're gonna wait for this to finish. So after the installation has been completed, click on Restart Now to restart your PC. You need to restart your PC in order to take effect. And we're gonna wait for this preparing configure Windows updates to install, so don't turn off your PC. So after we've done all of that, we just go right click on it, again on Media Creation Tool, run as administrator, click on Yes, and now it should be working fine and there should be no problems. And here, as you can see, now it works. We click on Next. So if this did not work for you, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see to find another method for you to see it, to make it to work for Windows 7. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. As I mentioned before, if this does not work for you, let me know in the comments and I will try to help you and resolve the problem. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.